But anyways, y'all, we finna do the handcuff challenge. We finna have freaking fun. Yeah, we finna have some fun. Everybody finna laugh. Everything, y'all. You already know what's going down over here. My bad. My bad, gang. I'm tripping. Handcuff.
Oh my god.
Handcuff. Handcuff. But you ready for this? You might well gonna get ready, cause you know what I'm saying. I'm finna do some epic crazy stuff, and you finna get mad today. So you know what I'm saying. Let go. I'm finna handcuff your leg to my handcuff my leg in your hand.
Hell no.
We finna get it like that. You heard me?
No, you're not.
Yo, stop playing. But now, y'all, we finna do this handcuff challenge. It finna be funny, fun, epic, and everything, y'all. So let's get to it. Get handcuffed.
Why are you putting this shit on me?
Come on.
I don't know about this.
Handcuff way. Move your arm over there.
Don't put it too tight.
Right. So you already had this problem. Tight. Shit, hold on now.
Bro, I don't know how this shit gonna work. This is not
It
gonna
gonna work out, y'all. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, mine came off.
Hey, what's going on there? Tight.
Hell yeah, that shit tight.
We finna try to munch on some pizza. You know what I'm saying?
I've been munching.
She been munching. I ain't eating nothing yet. I'm hungry. You know.
You taking all day trying to eat?
But anyways, y'all, we finna see how they go. I gotta hold the camera. Baby, let me get a piece of pizza. Ah!
I'm sorry.
Let me get my soda.
Ow! Bow! Okay, for real.
Let's see.
That shit is tight.
Let me get my soda real quick. Come on, I gotta get my soda.
Man.
Dang.
Stop. Should have been had your soda.
Okay, this is something like... What? Look.
Shut up.
Stop.
I ain't getting my soda. I'm thirsty.
You fooling me now. This thing already hurt me. She said it's not gonna work. It's gonna work today. Hey, I gotta go pee.
Oh, hell no for you.
I gotta pee. What you mean? Who ain't peeing?
You.
Why?
I'm eating my food.
Why? I'm gonna pee. What she got going on? Hold on, let me drink some of my soda though. Come on, babe. Let's go on adventure. Come on.
What?
Ow! Ow! You hurt me. Come on now. I gotta pee. Ah! Ow!
But I ain't even hurt
This
you.
shit tight on my arm.
Okay, I didn't mean to do it. Get mad at me.
You're not getting mad at you.
Shoot.
Ow!
Why you stay
Ow.
going places? This is come my way. Dang.
Why come your way? Ow.
I was trying to get out the bed.
Come on.
Go.
I'm trying to.
Wait.
I just gotta record you. This ain't gonna work, y'all.
Babe. Shit. I'm trying to hurry. Come on. I'm about to go. For real. Why? You gonna be pissing all over this place. Are you serious? Yeah, that little bitty pee. You telling me you made me come way up? I'm about to go.
Ah!
This shit hurt. Come on, hurry up.
No, let me see. Come on.
Why you trying to get the balloon? What the balloon? That balloon been right there and you trying to get it.
It went right there.
Yes, it was already right there. And look, this shit. Oh. Come on.
Hold on. Ow.
Well, you need to bring your ass on. I don't know either. I got cheese.
I just did it out.
It's still in there.
Lift the head up.
Ah, I can't get it. See, I told you.
Ow.
Well, get the cheese out.
I'm trying to.
That's not the right one. You feel like you scared to pull. There
Babe.
you go.
Ah.
Shit, why this shit got
I don't know.
Ow, I can't do that.
I always see how people go to jail. Ah. Nigga. What you trying to do?
I'm trying to get comfortable.
All right, come on.
Shit.
work out today. Where are we going today, though?
Nowhere with this shit.
Yes, you already going to Fred, baby.
Oh, no, we not walking to no damn Fred's.
Yes,
Man, look.
we got to walk to Fred.
What? We ain't got nothing to get that Fred.
Yeah, I do.
What?
Super glue. What's up, you guys? Come on, man. I'm hungry. I want some more damn pizza.
Courtney.
I'm hungry. Come on.
You should have been eating when I was eating.
Man, you started out before me.
Man. Here, get the pizza. Come on, man. Now you know you can grab that pizza while you trying to be all day. Wait, I want one. I want a piece too. Wait.
You want to do this? Ah! I'm about to set the camera up.
I need some cups or something. Sorry.
Hey, I can't open it.
You better try it.
One here.
Come on then, man. Here. Alright, go ahead.
Ah! You did.
They ain't getting no water today. I can't do all that.
Why you can't?
You gonna have to do that.
Why are you doing that?
My bad, bro. Oh my gosh, you gonna have to come up. Seriously. You gonna have to come up.
I'm coming up.
Why is she
Yeah,
running the
slob.
camera like that? That's not slob, it's
Water
water.
ain't gonna be coming to my arm.
Okay, no, it's not.
You looking yet, people, I told you.
More water.
Sasaí.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Alright, you done now?
It wasn't that bad.
Alright, so we gotta clean this room up. Peace out. Oh no, babe, I gotta go eat. No cards. Come on, get up. Get in the dress.
Oh, we just sat down.
You just laid down. I sat down.
Courtney, bro, go get the Uno cards.
Come on. Where did you put them?
You find them. Find them.
Alright, come on.
Ouch, ouch, ouch. Okay.
Alright, we can try to play Uno. We gotta look for the Uno card first.
I know you see him. If it was a snake,
Right there?
you gotta mix it. Oh.
I can do this. I think.
Ow!
Yeah, I can do that.
This one really shit. I didn't know it was gonna be this hard.
Yes, I'm good for that.
Ow!
How you,
What are you doing? Where's your go? Ooh, now I can finally put a booger on Courtney.
Don't put no book on me.
Ugh, okay, stop, cause yours be nasty.
Okay.
Look at that booger. Courtney, ah! Courtney, stop. Stop, for real, stop. I didn't do you that, not for real. Ew! Stop, throw it away. Stop, Courtney, for real. Ow! Throw it away. Throw it away, that's nasty. Courtney, throw it away, stop, for real. I'm not playing with you, bro. I'm not playing with you, bro. I'm not playing with you. Throw it away, that's not funny. Throw that away, that's nasty. Well, you need here. I got some tissue right here. Move. Cause that is nasty. You be doing too much.
Let me stitch you.
Stop playing this song. It's hurting. Shoot. Move. You need to move over then. Won't you stop? Hey.